Stop scrolling. Ever heard a loud boom from the sky, but there's nothing there? Quiet night. Then boom. The window shakes. You look outside. No lightning, no plane. Even your neighbors panic. People often call it Skyquakes. The sound is real, but the source is hard to track. Sometimes it's a distant sonic boom, a meteor exploding in the air, or a small vibration that makes the air hit like a punch. Plot twist. Sometimes it's not the sky at all. Your own house can pop from temperature and pressure changes. Have you experienced it? Comment your location and the time.